Chris from Galveston needs some flooring advice.
His house is raised, and it's the downstairs game room where he has a problem. All right? Chris writes, the floor is concrete and very old, has some tiles on it, which are afraid might be asbestos.
Okay.
Okay?
I don't know. We'd have to have it tested, but I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, but, I mean, they definitely look seasoned. He says, so we want to lay a new flooring over it, but the area always feels kind of moist and humid in there. What's the best way to lay a new floor on that?
Well, first off, it's Galveston, and secondly, on concrete in Galveston, you should use tile.
Okay,
I don't think there's another choice. There's a lot of choices of tile, and if that's really down well and it won't come up, then what I would tell you is this: just leave it down. There's a special primer that goes on there. You'll have a good tile guy will be able to do it, and they'll be able to lay it right on top of that. If it does come up, and it does have some asbestos in there, don't worry about it. It's called non-friable because it's a hard product. You can take it up, you can take it to the dump, and you go ahead and vacuum up real well and mop up real well afterwards, but you're not going to have some kind of deadly problem. It's not like what you see on TV with all the shipyards and stuff back in the 50s and whatnot that were really getting people very sick.
Right, so you say tiles, which you'd recommend?
Ceramic tile or porcelain tile for that matter. Probably ceramics.
I was going to say porcelain, you kind of...
pricey.
All right, you got a question? We're ready to help you with your projects, help you make your house nicer, save you some money. Whatever you got in mind, we can help you. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom button. Fill out the form and send it in. We'll use your question in one of these videos or our Facebook Live.
Ding!